Good morning. Today is April 22, 7 a.m. and again, gloomy morning. Makulimlim na Friday. So we are going to punta na tayo sa school ngayon with Sian the Kelbot. Exam niya ngayon, first grading exam ng mga public schools. Oopsie. Lakad muna tayo. Gloomy Friday. Pagpapa na tayo ng season. Okay. Ang dami ng bahay dito. So, lagi kami naglalakad pababa. Ayan. Na maglakad pababa kasi pababa naman siya eh. Oo ba? See that the white one is like a skeleton fish.
What?
The white one.
It already dropped a wish?
Yes.
Poodle. Spider.
And so I wish I'm gonna win Lotto.